Hello boys and girls, this is SoloRide, and in today's video we are going to create a cinematic black bar opening sequence. Stay tuned. So as you can see, this is the sequence that we are trying to create. Nice cinematic opening sequence. So to get started, I put a small video clip into my timeline. This is the speech scene that we have here. And to add the effect, make sure you activate your effects library. Then you go down to video transitions, and here you see the center wipe transition. And you just drag and drop it onto the video on top of it. Now, if you look at it, this is what's happening. At the moment, it's the black bars going sideways, but we want it the other way around. We want to go it up and down to get this effect. So let's get back here. Select the effect down here, the transition, and then make sure your inspector window is open. And here you can see the properties of the center wipe transition. And here you change the angle from 0 to 90. And if you start it again, now it opens from the middle to the top and to the bottom. You also want to make it a bit longer, so to make the effect lasting longer, you just drag and drop from the edge of the effect frame to the place where you want to end it. Go back to it. And now it looks like this. Very, very simple. Well folks, this was a very short tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you anyway. If you like the channel, please consider to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I wish you a very nice day and goodbye.